I gotta move everything. Look what I got. I got another box. I'll show you what I got in a second. See? Alright. Let's open it up. Fortunately, I get a knife on this keychain here, so it went good. Should have brought my other knife, but I forgot. Put this back in my loop here. Alright. I bet this will be easy. Is it going to be easy? There we go. Here's instructions.
How's it hold on?
Well, here's instructions here. I didn't read.
Cool. Can I look?
Yeah.
Cool.
So we get the ATV. I get the box.
You got your drill?
No.
Yeah, the drill.
Okay.
I'll go find a drill bit. 5/16.
You should get the battery in the cord drill. So.
Me? You thought you were gonna get it.
No.
I was gonna go look for a drill bit.
All right. Let's see if this works. I didn't try it out yet. If it works, it works. Okay. Nope. No, it didn't turn on. No, it won't. That didn't work. At least I tried. Alright. See if this works. See, this is
See, I'm not sure how to lock this in good. But this works, everything's good. GoPro, stop recording.
Yeah, it went pretty easy, huh?
Yeah. I don't know why the last one was hard.
Well, lining them up is pretty different sometimes. All right, get the other one.
Oh. Wasn't anywhere near ready. As you can see, I had a little bit hard time, but I got it.
We're gonna try to put it in and then adjust it.
It's out of whack real hard, see it?
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Let's get the nuts on it started. You push it up.
Well, that's why I was trying to adjust. But when you...
Can you push it up on this side? Can't get any more out of it. It's coming up on an angle.
Let's get out of it and then do it again. We good?
Yeah. Let me have it for a second. Yeah, something's real wrong. It's on a steep angle.
Yeah, don't lean on this too much.
There you go. Hold it there.
Must have got moved. So I was gonna say the angle was wrong.
Yeah. What we're looking for is this one not to go too shallow because I've got to have that on it. So if you could push up on this side that I'm doing, that would help. All right. Yeah. You got ratchets? No.
No.
Got my truck key? Yeah, I got my tools right there.
Yeah, it's I know I'm getting ahead of myself, but it's the jackery good. I could have this in here, more or less like this, charge my stuff up, and it'll be out of the way, but I will do something slightly different. Alright, I'm going to take it out and put it back on the table here. This is all the stuff I got. Oh yeah, this is my power source for here. What I could do is I could do this. I'll show you in a second. You'd unzip this, throw it back in the box here, take this out, throw this back in the box, and plug this in here. Then I could charge up the jackery. It'll be like right here somewhere. You know what I mean? Okay, I see how it works.
Remember, not too tight. And this one, this one, this one, this one. So turn this one now. You gotta turn them
Oh,
even.
which one's this one? This
Well,
one?
you gotta turn them even so the stems all have the same length. Yeah, keep track of your turns.
I haven't been doing that yet.
All right, go to the other one. If you pull one too tight, it won't work right.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah, keep the stems all even. You could just use the hand driver if you want.
That's what I was thinking.
You see the other one? It's barely on.
Okay.
And try to keep these stems even. If you have to keep them even, if you have to loosen one up, like don't tighten that one anymore, but tighten this one a lot more.
Okay.
Now always keep taking a look. Problem with the socket you got, that looks pretty good. Just make them all look like these two. So if one's uneven, start with the short one.
That's the other problem with the socket.
No problem. He would never unsee it. I just didn't say nothing. Oh, okay, it's not exactly the right size. So this one's real loose.
This one?
Yeah, well, that whole clamp's super loose. All right, go to the other one. Yeah, I gave you the wrong size. Probably. Didn't understand. I gotta put this back so we don't forget. These black things go on top of the yellow.
Yeah. Need the button. Okay, I think I got it good. Yeah, I think I got as good as I could get. But let me try it again one more time. And I think I hit the limit.
We hit the limit of the depth of the socket. Boy, that's a lot sticking through.
Yeah.
Seems solid enough.
Yeah.
You'll put the plastic pieces on?
Yeah. Plastic pieces are crazy.
Put this back up the back. Got everything the way you like it? Turn them. Make you turn to the screw.
Oh. Okay. Start putting things away. Here, bro, stop recording. Okay. I put all the junk in here. I would charge this battery if I had the attachment for it. I'm gonna drop this stuff off and get the other stuff. I could get all kinds of room in here.
It don't work for a beer hole.
I can't see what I'm doing. Now we got this running here. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can see it. I got it at 31, and then when I rev up the engine, it goes up a little bit, but it goes up and down between 30 and 31, and 37, all that. Watch. Yeah, it doesn't really do anything when I rev it up. I didn't want to go crazy and rev it up. I charged in the house already to 100%. Oh, not 29, 30. Keeps bouncing up and down a little bit. I had a nice little cubby hole. I also got a drink holder. I'm on step 2, so might see. Here we go. So I'm gonna put everything away. Put my other stuff in. Now I think the camera mount here broke, like you saw. So I got room to put everything away, even the camera. So I'm gonna do that. Now, I get the flashlight here charging up. Then I get this charging up. Right? I don't know if I can show you what I could do here. This is just as long as... Okay. This is just as long as the Jackery cable here. See, I got this before. You seen this? Well, this never made it into a bag, but I can still see it though. So everything is good. It has its place. I could actually put the Jackery in here, charge everything on the go. I didn't mean to pull this too hard. So this is at 8, 7. The camera's going. The camera is well. I think the camera is at 20%. This is holding at 98%, and we get the neighbor dog saying he wants to be on YouTube soon. I haven't used the DC yet, but I'm hoping to find something that fits DC and use that. Start using that for whatever I can, but I'm not worried about that. All right, let's go through the flashlight here. Let's power everything up. I can't find this. Okay, the flashlight's on and it's still at 7. Doesn't take too much at all charging these USB things. Look. Now I'm going to go through the process here. Okay, now I'm going to go through the process here. Alright. If I were going to camp today and charge everything up, I think it'll be alright. This is stupid to do like this. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm gonna see how everything fits here. So far, everything looks good here. I could probably take off, but I would not charge anything on the go because I would put a little something here, a little something there. And I don't want to take airflow away. You know what I mean? I think I could do a camping trip with this. Let's see what we could do.